Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome to my little kitchen from my mummy's house.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. You welcome my little kitchen. बाकी मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ ਧੀ ਨੂੰ ਫਾਲੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਠੀਕ ਠਾਕ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ ਅੱਲਾਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖੁਸ਼ ਰੱਖੇ ਤੇ ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਾਲੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਹੌਸਲਾ ਵਧਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਤੇ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਮਿਹਰਬਾਨੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਲਾਹ ਹਾਫਿਜ਼
So Mum's basically just sent out lots of press for everyone, thanked every one of my followers and just said continue to support me and the channel and let's make it a success and let the My Little Kitchen brand grow so big that it just travels all over the world. Right, okay guys, so I have my beautiful leg of lamb here, as you can see, all washed and ready. I just need to stab it, as you can see. And my marinade that I prepared earlier. So I'm going to marinate this for 24 hours and the recipe for this is on the channel. So do check it out if you want a recipe for any sort of like celebration that's taking place. It's a wonderful recipe which is my husband's recipe. The voice is back again, by the way. He will be making an appearance on camera. He did say to me he will be. So look out for that. There'll be a special video where he'll make a little guest appearance. Maybe. You will, you said you will anyway. So back to this. I'm going to stab this now. It didn't fit into the actual roasting tray, so we had to kind of chop the end off there.
You actually told me where you are.
Oh, I'm at my mum's. Oh yes, we're at my mum's for the festive period. So here goes. As you can tell, I'm just busy. I want to stab this. Take out that frustration.
Yeah, that's why I'm over here.
Oh. Right. I think that's enough, isn't it? I know, just wait.
That's not enough. I know you're a bit frustrated and angry with the world.
No. Actually, yeah.
I think it's just more tiredness. That'll do.
There we are. That just helps the marinade sort of like penetrate into the meat and it'll make it really nice. So I'm going to pop this back in here again. And then this wonderful marinade that I prepared earlier is going to go straight over like that, look. Oh, smells absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And just spread that over evenly. So normally I would do this like 2 days before, 3 days actually before. So 48-hour marination and then cook it on the 3rd day. But since I've been so busy because I'm at my mum's, shopping, prepping, kids, I'm just going to do a 24-hour marination. There we are. And then just cover that and let that sit now for the next 24 hours in the fridge. And it's going to be slow roasted for 6 hours. And that's it. And the next job now is to prep the veg and have it all ready for tomorrow.
There's a lot of veg there.
I know. I think I overbought. There's still another cauliflower there's another cauliflower in the fridge.
And another red cabbage.
Another red cabbage and another broccoli.
Is it red cabbage?
Yeah, it's red cabbage. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing next.
What are you actually doing with the veg?
Oh, we have balsamic red cabbage. Then we're going to have buttered Brussels sprouts, honey roasted parsnips and carrots, cauliflower and broccoli cheese bake, and we also have some chicken as well in the fridge. Not just one, but we have 4 whole chickens along with that leg of lamb. So yeah.
She's only feeding 12 people.
12 people. Well, Iman doesn't eat anyway.
Right, 11
so
people.
11 people.
So
but
I think she's overbought a little bit. Just a little bit.
Yeah, but yeah, anyway, so I'm going to crack on with this and, I'll show you little snippets of how we get on. Okay, so the first thing I started on was the potatoes. Peeled and prepped them and cut them into chunky pieces. And whilst I know this is a tedious job, I actually find it quite therapeutic. Someone's got to do it, and there was me trying to show off my skills there. Not. And I parboiled my potatoes because We all know that potatoes take a lot longer to cook if they're not cooked beforehand. I always parboil my potatoes, and then I went on to prep my carrots, peel them, and along with the parsnips, we are going to be glazing this in a mixture of oil, salt and pepper and honey, and it's as simple as that. I don't add anything else to it. And then I moved on to my cauliflower, just cut out nice chunky florets, and again parboil this as well because you want your vegetables to be half cooked. And as you can see, there's a lot of vegetables there, and I think this is probably one of the least favourite jobs of mine, cleaning and sorting the sprouts out, but it got done. And for the red cabbage, I had to wear gloves. I started off just cutting the cabbage as normal, and then realised I had sort of like stained my nails and my fingers, hence why the gloves went on for the red cabbage. I'm just separating the cabbage pieces and just cutting any leftovers that are left there. So the white sauce, which is also known as a bechamel sauce, here I'm adding dried red chili flakes, adds a nice spice kick to it. Do try it and let me know how you find it. I've also seasoned the vegetables, which I always do. Always season your veg with salt and pepper, and then I'm just transferring it into trays and equally distributing it along with the broccoli here. And now I'm adding that gooey cheesy sauce. Just look at that wonderful sauce, so cheesy, so creamy, and how beautiful do the little flecks of chili flakes look. And if it wasn't cheesy enough, I decided to add more cheese into it. So everything's prepped now, going straight into the oven to cook. Wonderful. 2 trays of the vegetables and 2 trays of the cauliflower, broccoli and cheese. But I also laid out a cheese board for everyone to have a little nibble at, because food wasn't going to be ready on time, and I knew that, even though I'd started prepping so early in the morning. So I laid out some nibbles for everyone to enjoy, and these went down a treat. Everyone enjoyed these. So we've got honey roasted vegetables here, parsnips and carrots. We've got some Brussels sprouts. I've got some separate carrots here for my brother who doesn't like the honey roasted carrots.
Spoiled.
Yeah, he doesn't eat parsnips. I've got some balsamic red cabbage here. And in the oven, oh god, this is really hot. Oh my god, we have the cauliflower, broccoli, cheese. Yep. We've got the roast chickens, another cauliflower, broccoli, cheese. We've got the roast potatoes, and we have the wonderful leg of lamb in there. So I'm just going to plate it. Well, you can't see it. Well, I'm going to plate it all up, and I'm going to show you how it looks.
Baba.
Hi, darling. Do you want to say hello?
Hi.
Say hi, everyone.
Why have you got my phone, child?
And then
What's this?
we've got another chicken there. There we are. That is our smoked paprika and garlic roasted chickens. And now we're just going to make the gravy, and everything is done. Can't wait to tuck in.
That looks very, very, very cooked.
Good.
How's my recipe?
Oh, it's wonderful. Bismillah. Mommy. Mom.
On me.
Okay. Come here.
Right.
How is it? Well done. Absolutely wonderful. Epic! Epic spread. And there is the Queen, enjoying her feast already.
Sorry, I'm belly.
I know, सारे तो पहले खाते हो, फिर तुम बिस्मिल्लाह करते हो, फिर खाओ बिस्मिल्लाह करो।
मैं टेस्ट भी करती हूँ पर
टेस्ट करके दसियो सही है मी कितना है।
बहुत बहुत मजेदार है, बहुत।
Oh, it's really nice, alhamdulillah. We're going to just sit down now, we're just waiting for the gravy, and then everyone's just going to dive right in.
Oh, that coffee walnut looks good. Sammy, good choice, son.
Are you happy, Maheen? Yeah? Hello?
What else do you want? What an epic day today was. We had the most amazing food and had the best time ever celebrating the holidays with the family. I hope you and yours have enjoyed their time together as well. And yeah, I'm glad that I could actually capture moments from, you know, this meal that we do every year during the Christmas holidays, because we don't officially celebrate Christmas, but we celebrate the fact that we get an official holiday and everyone's together and we sit down to have a meal and we really make the most of it. So yes, You know, if you enjoyed vlogs like these, then please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. I'll do more vlogging, but I'd like to end 2023 on this vlog, and let's hope that the future 2024 brings us lots of health, wealth and prosperity and happiness. And here's wishing you all a happy new year. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. And you know, if it wasn't without you guys, I wouldn't be where I am today. And also obviously God, first and foremost, you know, alhamdulillah, with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I've got this far, and you know, I'm super grateful to him. And the rest of my family, thank you so much for supporting me, always believing in me. We've got bigger and better things coming. There's a lot of new things happening. And before I forget, I totally forgot to mention that we are super excited to be sharing that we will be opening up our own new channel, which is My Little Kitchen Goes Desi, which is for all of my you know, viewers whose first language is not English. So I will actually be going through all of my recipes and refilming everything and talking in my either mother tongue. I've not decided what I want to do yet. I don't know whether I want to speak in Punjabi or whether I should speak in Urdu, but it will be either Urdu or Punjabi that I will be speaking in. So all of those viewers that watch me in countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, that don't speak English, and you know, their first language isn't English, then I will be talking to you guys and going through my recipes in your native language. So ਤੁਸੀਂ please ਮੇਰੇ channel ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ। ਮੇਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਚੈਨਲ ਹੈ उसका नाम है My Little Kitchen Goes Desi। ਉੱਥੇ मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ पंजाबी ਵਿੱਚ या फिर उर्दू में मैं आपको रेसिपीज करके दिखाऊंगी, तो प्लीज़ मुझे वहाँ पे फॉलो करना। मैं उसका लिंक छोड़ दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो प्लीज़ आप उसे फॉलो करना, मुझे सपोर्ट करना, you know, जैसे आप करते हैं मेरे दूसरे चैनल पे My Little Kitchen. So please do continue to support me. You know, I won't be where I am without you guys. So thank you so much, and you know, it's a wrap. See you on the other side.